welcome to this video. So today I'm bringing you another update. As you can see from the title, I'm already 2 years and 7 months into my second set of microlocs, DIY microlocs, and today I decided to show you the grid of my hair. So in this video, I'm showing you an update of how my grid looks like at 2 years and 7 months, which makes it 31 months locked, so that you would have an idea how I've been keeping up with my maintenance. Now, I'm not somebody who is super precise. I don't use a rat tail comb to split up the lines and then remove all the hairs. If I kind of catch up a few hairs from another lock or from a neighboring lock, sometimes I just leave it in. Sometimes I try to pull out the hair. If it doesn't work, I hardly rip my hair apart. So because of that, my grid is not completely straight. It's not all perfect. However, the integrity of my locks are good. They are in good shape. So when you start ripping your hair apart, sometimes I feel like it affects the structure of the locks. So I just leave that in and then allow it to grow out, and maybe at a certain time I can cut that hair off or something like that. I'll be popping in some videos, and yeah, so now I'm going to show you how my hair looks like when I split it up into the sections in which I had them when I first installed my locks. So let me give you a short turnaround for you to see how that looks like. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is retightened, but it's been a while since I started my retightening. I started this retightening about 2 weeks ago, so it took me 2 weeks to finish my locks, and I did finish today. But then I went ahead and then I washed my hair because my scalp was looking a little bit flaky, and because I knew I'll be making a video, I decided to wash my hair. So definitely the retightening is not as crisp as it would be if it's freshly done, but I'm okay with this look because, as you know, I don't like the scalpy look. So I'm actually very happy if it already looks like it's been like about a week old. So yeah, this is how I split my hair, ladies. This is how I split my hair when I started this second set, and I wanted to put them into bantu knots, but when I tried, the bantu knots were so big it would cover up the lines, so I just decided to leave it like this. So I hope you can see what I've done. The line is not that straight anymore, so this lock has taken up a little bit of hair from this lock. But yeah, I'm still trying to maintain the grid. I don't do it with a rat tail comb, like splitting and pulling them apart if they are not in line. I don't do that. I just leave the hair. If I accidentally pick some hair from the neighboring lock, I just leave it like that. Sometimes I pull it out, but I hardly rip my hair apart to keep the grid. It's not that important, to be honest, and it destroys the integrity of the lock. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Just to show you again. Yeah, I have actually not counted how many sections I have, so I will do that now. So this is like 4 sections, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's 9, and then 2, 3. So I have 12 sections. So that's how I split my hair up. And if you want to know how many locks I have with how it looks like, I have about 360 locks, maybe plus minus some. I have added a few locks at the perimeter. For instance, this one, which is very, very short, I added a lock here. I think I also added a few here. So I don't really know how exactly, like how many locks exactly I have, and I feel it's okay. I wouldn't also advise anyone to count their locks. It takes away the mystery. So I would advise you, don't count your locks. Just imagine you just have a lot of locks on your head. Because once I counted them, and I counted them because that's, you know, when you're documenting your journey, people ask all the time. So that's why I counted them. But if it's just left to me, I wouldn't count my locks. I hope I would get a good thumbnail just to, you know, show you how the grid of my hair actually looks like. And let me know if this video was helpful. If you have any questions, drop that in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.